So yeah, those are Andrea. Drop. That's that great. No, in the basement. I don't know. They said that the woman did a 3-point turn that went wrong, but I don't know. There's oil further up the road, and she has to. Yeah, so she lives at number